so you can kind of see what we're doing here. Hopefully that doesn't fall. Alright. What's up, everybody? Porkit Engineering here. You're probably wondering what you're staring at. This is my backhoe, or my dad's backhoe rather. We have the arm, or I have the arm stretched up so that I can kind of give you guys a realistic little grappling hook test firing video. So I don't have some proper rope yet. It's kind of just some heavy boat rope. The rope I had previous, I lost one of the hooks trying to fuck with something that I shouldn't have been fucking with. But anyway, so we're using some heavy rope. It's not going to go up, you know, normal height, but it'll do. It should make it to this. Anyway, but it is what it is. Anyway, let me give you guys a quick little test run here. So, we have our grappling gun, bolt open. You know, just kind of lock and bolt for those who may not have already seen it. Bicycle crank connected to a worm gear winch for the ascension system. Get our cartridge loaded. The breech lock is locked. Let me wind this rope up real quick. Very simple to do. Very similar to kind of just stretching out an extension cord so you could throw it. Kind of just loosely wrap it, and that seems to get it to go pretty well. This is some really stiff, shitty rope, but I'm gonna make it work. I was kind of fucking around with the power lines here, but it should work for this. Anyway, so now we get our hook loaded here, and we're all ready to go. All right. Well, now, very simply, as one would, like I said, throw an extension cord with a loosely wrapped rope. I'm gonna give you a shot here. See how we go. All right, well, close enough, but you get the gist of it. I was a little low. Maybe let's go one more time with that. Unload the previous show. This rope really drags on the gun, but you can just kind of feel it because from shooting it previously with the other shit. But it's a very reliable system, quickly reloadable, perfect for military application. It requires no batteries, and it can operate standalone, more or less, just as a self-contained unit. It can be operated merely just with a little bit of elbow grease, and if one has some cartridges. Wasn't entirely on purpose, but it ended up being with the gas piston system, and I'll show you that here in 1 second. It ends up making a perfect handle so that even if you didn't have any cartridges, you can just throw this motherfucker. It's not a gigantic hook, so you can actually get it up somewhere. And then you can just ascend using the device. So even if the device doesn't have any cartridges, it's still useful. But load our hook here once more. Gotta get a little bit of oil in here. But once more, lift up our gun. And take two. Oh, and we got a good hook. Yeah. How you like that shit? Very nice. Now, maybe I'll even give you a quick session video. But, let me at least cut this so that I can save the video in case anything happens to the camera. But yeah, hope you got a good shot of that. That was pretty cool. Worked pretty nicely, and you can see that was very accurate. It's like pinpoint accurate to exactly where you want to have it. So you just aim just a little bit above whatever target you're trying to grab to, and you're good. As you can see, I hope the sun isn't interfering, but It's not even a very big piece either, so that you can even see. It might be a little bit heavy just because it's made entirely of fucking metal. But give you a little front profile. How you like my Uzi trunnion? It's not an Uzi trunnion really, but it's it looks very similar to the trunnion for an Uzi. Anyway, let's see here. I'm just gonna put something that's common reference. Here's something. A gas can. So you can see in reference to see exactly how big it is, because over the internet you can't quite see how big things are. But here's a gas can, 5-gallon gas can. Here's our unit. Not nearly as wide naturally, but as far as length, maybe, sure. Definitely not width and all that such. But it's not a very big piece. It's certainly not like the other stuff that one can see online from more reputable, well-funded inventors. But kind of just give you one more little walkthrough. I'm holding the phone here, so it's kind of hard, but it's just I hope you got the chance to see that. But yeah, it's self-ejecting and everything. Pretty neat little fucker. But yes, entirely of my design. Some things were sourced, some things, well, almost everything else was created by hand. But as far as the main units, you know, a few things had to be, well, the only thing I bought actually for the entire system is these cranks and this. This was a broken concrete gun. But yeah, she works pretty good though. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Porkit Engineering here. Batman. What the devil?